The world is changing very fast, and one of the biggest changes we are seeing today is the rise of artificial intelligence. In Kenya, many people are now using artificial intelligence tools to earn money online and improve their lives. What used to require years of study, expensive equipment, or big offices can now be done using a simple smartphone or a laptop. This has opened a new door of opportunity for students, unemployed youth, stay-at-home parents, and even business owners across the country. In the year 2026, artificial intelligence is no longer something complicated or only for experts. It has become simple and accessible. You can now use artificial intelligence to write articles, create videos, design graphics, generate voice recordings, and even automate business tasks. These tools are helping many Kenyans to start earning income without needing large capital. Some people are starting with as little as 5,000 Kenyan shillings and growing their income steadily every month. Imagine waking up in the morning, opening your laptop, and working for clients from different parts of the world. You do not need to travel or spend money on transport. You only need internet, consistency, and the willingness to learn. That is the power of artificial intelligence in today's world. One of the most popular tools people are using is artificial intelligence writing software. This tool helps you generate content quickly and easily. You can write blog posts, social media captions, business plans, emails, and even school assignments. Many freelancers in Kenya are using this tool to offer writing services online. They get clients from different countries and are paid in dollars. When converted, this can be a very good income. For example, a person earning $100 per week can make more than 13,000 Kenyan shillings weekly, which becomes over 50,000 Kenyan shillings monthly. Another powerful tool is artificial intelligence image generation. This tool allows you to create beautiful images just by typing what you want. You can create logos, posters, social media content, and even art for sale. Many people are using these images to sell products online or offer design services to businesses. Small businesses in Kenya are always looking for affordable designers, and this creates a big opportunity. There is also artificial intelligence video creation software. This tool can turn simple text into a full video with voice, images, and music. This is very useful for people who want to start YouTube channels but do not want to show their faces. You can create educational videos, motivational content, news summaries, or even storytelling channels. Once your channel grows, you can earn money through advertisements, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Some Kenyans are already earning over 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month through this method. Voice generation tools are also becoming popular. These tools can create natural-sounding voices that can be used in videos, advertisements, and audiobooks. You do not need to have a professional voice or expensive recording equipment. You simply type your script, and the tool produces the voice for you. This has made it easy for many people to start content creation businesses. Design platforms with artificial intelligence features are also helping beginners create professional work. Even if you have never designed anything before, you can now create posters, flyers, resumes, and social media posts in minutes. Many young people are using this to offer design services to local businesses such as salons, restaurants, and shops. Charging even 1,000 Kenyan shillings per design can add up quickly when you have multiple clients. Automation tools are another important part of this journey. These tools help businesses save time by automating repetitive tasks. For example, sending emails, posting on social media, or managing customer messages can all be automated. If you learn how to set up these systems, you can offer services to businesses and charge them monthly fees. Some businesses are willing to pay between 10,000 Kenyan shillings and 50,000 Kenyan shillings per month for automation services. Making money with artificial intelligence in Kenya is not only about tools, it is also about understanding how to use them to solve real problems. Businesses need customers, content, and efficiency. If you can use artificial intelligence to help them achieve these goals, you will always find opportunities. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start. You can create accounts on online platforms and offer services such as writing, design, video editing, or virtual assistants. Artificial intelligence helps you complete tasks faster, which means you can serve more clients and increase your income. The more you work and deliver quality results, the more your profile grows and the higher you can charge. Another powerful method is creating digital products. These include ebooks, online courses, templates, and guides. You can use artificial intelligence to create these products quickly and sell them online. For example, you can write an ebook about business ideas in Kenya and sell it for 500 Kenyan shillings. If 100 people buy it, you make 50,000 Kenyan shillings. Affiliate marketing is also growing in Kenya. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale. Artificial intelligence can help you create content that attracts people and convinces them to buy. You can use blogs, YouTube, or social media to promote these products. However, it is important to understand that artificial intelligence is not magic. It does not replace hard work. You still need to learn, practice, and stay consistent. Many people fail because they expect quick money without effort. Success comes from patience and continuous improvement. One common mistake people make is trying too many tools at once. This can be confusing and overwhelming. It is better to choose one tool, understand it well, and master it before moving to another. Once you become good at one thing, it becomes easier to learn others. Another mistake is ignoring the local market. While it is good to work with international clients, there are many opportunities in Kenya as well. Small businesses are growing every day, and many of them need help with marketing, content creation, and automation. If you position yourself well, you can build a strong local client base. Payments are also important to consider. In Kenya, many people use mobile money services to receive payments. Others use online payment platforms to receive international payments. It is important to choose a method that is reliable and convenient for you. Building a personal brand is also key. When people trust you, they are more likely to work with you. You can build your brand by sharing your work online, posting useful content, and engaging with your audience. Over time, this can attract clients and opportunities without you having to look for them. The future of artificial intelligence in Kenya is very bright. More people are gaining access to the internet, and more businesses are going digital. This means the demand for digital services will continue to grow. Those who start early and learn these skills will have a big advantage. In the end, the journey is simple but requires commitment. Choose a tool, learn how it works, practice every day, and look for ways to help others. Start small, even if you are earning just a few thousand Kenyan shillings per month. With time, your skills and income will grow. Artificial intelligence is not just a trend. It is a powerful opportunity that is changing lives across Kenya. If you take it seriously and stay consistent, you can build a stable and successful income in the year 2026 and beyond.